Hey, it is Italy turn 6, and we'll start it off with tech. Improve construction. Another 3. For this, I'm buying a, I just had it, sub base. Sub base. The heck? Oh. For 3, and buying a militia upgrade. That'll put me down to 3. And then, not declaring war this turn, so I'll put at 13. For non-com, just gonna take this transport. Oh. Gonna take this airborne. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And put the fighter tech bomber, everyone back on there. That's it. Oh, and walk them in. And then I place. So, oh, I gotta do the housekeeping. That died, and they're up to 21. Yeah. Then I place. And that's it. Wait, can I choose to go and port at the end, right? No. That's not com.